Baby. You know, why? Why do you punish yourself? Katrina, go to your room and sleep. Nana, who punish you? Katrina, go and sleep. Katrina.
Sleep, sleep.
Oh.
Sleep, quick, sleep.
She sleep.
Sleep, sleep.
She took the pillow.
Okay,
She
tidur,
took
tidur.
the pillow. She sleep in the corner.
Sleep lah. Quick, sleep. Tidur, tidur mana? Mana cat tidur mana? Sleep. That's not how you sleep. Quick.
I went to the toilet.
Mari tidur kat mana?
When I came out, she was sleeping there at the corner. How do you sleep?